In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create circular stair in Revit. We'll start in the right view, choose the correct stair tool, place a spiral by defining its center and radius, set the heights, and wrap up with a clean, finished result. Begin in a floor plan view where you want the stair to live. A plan view makes it easy to snap to reference planes or grid intersections and to see clear distances from nearby walls or columns. Zoom into the area and, if helpful, lay down a temporary reference plane so you can precisely click the stair's center point. Working in plan also makes it simple to visualize the radius you're about to define. Next, go to the Architecture tab and click Stair in the Circulation panel. Before you place anything, glance at the options bar across the top. That's where the different stair shapes appear. If you only see a default straight run, click the small arrow next to stair to reveal the spiral choices. This saves you from placing the wrong stair and having to start over. Choose the spiral type that suits your workflow. Full-step spiral automatically spans from your base level to your top level and fills in the appropriate number of treads for that height. It's great when you already know your start and end levels and want Revit to handle the math. Center-end spiral gives you more manual control over the radius and sweep, which is useful when you're fitting a stair inside a tight shaft or aligning to specific clearances. Pick the option that matches your design intent. Now place the spiral. Click once to set the center point of the stair. Move your cursor outward to define the radius. Watch the temporary dimensions as you move, and if you prefer exact values, you can type a number to lock in the radius. Click again to confirm it. Revit will preview a circular staircase on screen. If you see a warning about minimum radius or clearances, simply adjust the radius before committing. With the stair placed, look to the Properties palette and set the base level and the top level. These define where the stair starts and ends vertically. Revit will automatically calculate the number of risers required between those levels and distribute them evenly along the spiral. Keep an eye on the preview so you can confirm the stair reaches the top level cleanly. When everything looks right, click the green check mark to finish. Your spiral stair will appear in the plan view and is also available in 3D, ready for you to review, dimension, and coordinate with surrounding elements. That's all it takes to create a clean, accurate, circular stair in Revit.